Hey guys, in today's video I'll be installing the Maxzina cargo trays in my 2025 Ford Maverick. This procedure should be the same for all 2022 and upward Mavericks. I'm going to unbox the product, I'm going to install it, and then provide a review. Here's the box. It actually came in a larger box, but I took this out. Inside the box we have another box with two straps, hooks, nuts, and bolts. Here's the packing list. There's also a QR code for the instructions. We have 4 trays, and these are made out of HDPE plastic that are supposed to be UV resistant. I'm going to lay them out upside down because we need to fasten these holes together. I laid out all of the hardware. There's the M8 screws and nuts, the associate washers for them, and then the M5 nuts and bolts. And you can use these Allen keys, but I decided to use an electric ratchet because it's quicker for me. And then in order to hold these nuts in place, this one is a 13 millimeter. I'm just using a wrench to hold it in place. I couldn't find my wrench for this. This one is a 8 millimeter. I'm using an 8 millimeter socket to hold it into place. You could also use the Allen keys that it came with, and then your ratcheting wrench or crescent wrench to tighten them. It doesn't really matter which tools you use as long as you can tighten them. Looking at the plastic, there's 2 larger holes on the left and right side, and then there's 3 smaller holes in the middle. What I'm going to do is take my M8 screw, a flat washer, feed this through, and then on the other side I'll use another washer and the nut to hold it in place. To speed things up, I'll use the M5 hex on one side, and I'll hold the other side with the 13 millimeter. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. And then in the middle, we'll take our M5s with the associated nut. I probably should have did the middle ones first because they don't seem to be centered fully. I use my 8 millimeter to hold the nut, and then use the 3 millimeter. I'll repeat the same thing on this side. Next, I'm going to flip these over. We have 4 carabiners. We can install them in any of the 16 holes. I'm going to install 2 on the outer edges. In the instruction video, it actually had 4 middle screws on each of these cargo trays. The one that I received had 3 holes in the middle. I have a lot of extra M5 screws. In the video, it showed a tie down point right here where they use the straps to attach to this carabiner. On my 2025 XL, I don't have that. I guess I could attach to this toe point right here. I fed the strap through the carabiner and this preset toe point. I'm going to push this lever and then feed the strap through. There's extra length of strap, and this is just to hold this down. There's not a lot of weight to this plastic. If you don't put something on it or don't secure it, it might blow away on the freeway. You just pull this tray to slide it out. And originally I thought there would be rollers on the bottom, but there isn't. It just uses friction on the truck bed. Moving on to the review, what I like about these cargo trays is that you can store stuff on it to keep it organized. You can use the strap to secure them down, and then you can pull them out so you don't have to always reach towards the back of the truck bed in order to get things out. It's nice that there's pre-set holes for these carabiners, and it comes with 2 straps so you can fasten your cargo down. They're also UV coated, so they shouldn't degrade in the sun or won't degrade as fast, and they're very lightweight. You would need to put a load on them or secure them down so they don't blow away. In terms of dislikes or suggestions, originally I thought there were rollers underneath, but there are not. It's just friction between the plastic and the truck bed. I might try attaching wheels to the bottom so it'd be easier to slide. The texture is smooth on the top for the most part, but I noticed that there's certain locations, like over here, where the plastic gets more jaggedy, but it's not something you'll be grabbing on a daily basis. In terms of fitment, I have them butted against the side of the wheel well. There's about 1.5 inches of space between. It's not super tight, there is some wiggle room. If you guys are in the market for cargo trays for your Ford Maverick, you can check these out. It's the Maxzina cargo trays. A link to the latest product will be in the description section below. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and take care.